Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anna and today we're gonna make an orange and almond cake. I will need for this cake 3 eggs, sugar, lemon zest, a cup of orange juice, sunflower oil or canola. I'm using sunflower, almond flour and cornstarch. I will separate the eggs. I will put egg whites in a mixing bowl. Grate the lemon because I will use the zest to give flavor to this cake. Grate only the yellow part because the white one is pretty bitter. And I will start mixing egg whites until they are white and fluffy, looking like a meringue. And I will move them now to another bowl because I'm gonna use the mixing bowl for the rest of the recipe. I'll start mixing egg yolks now with sugar. Start adding the oil now gradually and keep on mixing. The oil will start to combine with the rest of the ingredients, and the mixture will look like really creamy, almost like mayo. Add that lemon zest that we prepped earlier. And I will start alternating the rest of the ingredients, orange juice with almond flour and with cornstarch until I will finish incorporating them all. Now I just have to combine the egg whites in the yolk mixture. I will do it gradually in 3 stages without over mixing, just folding with a spatula. pour the batter in a round shaped cake form that I line with baking paper and powder with flour on the sides, and I'm gonna bake the cake in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna make a syrup out of 60 milliliters of orange juice with some lemon juice and a bit of sugar. I will pour all of this in a small pot, and on the stove I'm gonna boil until the sugar is dissolved, and I will let it cool down. When the cake is baked, take it out from the oven, and looks amazing, smells delicious. Pour that syrup that we prepped earlier over it and let it cool down. Decorate the cake with some almond slices, and keep the cake in the fridge and serve it with friends and family. It goes well with a cup of tea or coffee. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It is free to subscribe on YouTube, and press the bell notification button. You're gonna receive notification only when I'm uploading a new video, and you don't want to miss that, right? Okay, have a great day. Don't forget to smile, and I'm gonna see you here next time with another recipe or another IRL video. Bye bye.